Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate sketch in Onshape CAD. So first of all, what you'll need to do is select a plane that you want to rotate to. So basically what you can do is right click it on the sketch and click edit, and right here you can select different plane. But if you need to rotate it, let's say at 45 degrees, it's not going to work like that. So I will show you the method how you can do that. So first of all, just select, let's say I will select the top plane and I will select sketch, and right here we'll draw a line for the plane to rotate it. So let's say I will put it like that. And now I will create a new plane. So you can do that by clicking on the plane and right here, select line angle. And for the entities, select this line. And now you'll be able to, let's say, type custom degrees. So I will go for the 45. And that's going to basically rotate your plane, new plane for the 45 degrees. And now for the first sketch that you want to rotate, just click and drop down to the last position, and basically now right click it on the sketch. So right click on the sketch, click edit, and now select the different plane. So I will select the plane 1, and that's how you rotate your sketch. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.